So today we are going to be learning how to do a slip knot. So you have your end piece right here, and then you have your longer extended amount right here that you're going to actually be crocheting or knitting or whatever you are working with. So to create a slip knot, what we're going to do is we're going to take this long part, the working part, and you're going to put it over the small end, just like that. So you're going to take your long working end, put it over the cut piece, the end cut piece. From here, you reach through and pull up a loop. Hold both and tighten. So let's go over this again. So you have your end piece right here. You're going to cross it, and then from here, you take this top long piece, see the top long piece, and you can lift it up, stick it under, okay? Then you're going to grab what you just pulled through and simply pull opposite directions. So let's do this again. Working yarn over, underneath, grab, and you have your end piece and your working piece. Grab those two together. Now that loop you just created, pull while you hold these. And that is how you create a slip knot. One more time. Over, stick it through, grab both ends, pull. Over, pull through. And you can also make the loop smaller by just your working yarn, pull that down. And that will create your loop to be bigger or smaller. So if you need the loop bigger, pull it out. If you need this loop to be smaller, simply pull, and it will make it smaller. And that is how you do a slip knot.